How can you write the answer for the question? Apply the concept of recursion in C by writing a program to calculate the factorial of a number. Answer to write. Recursion. Recursion is a programming technique where a function solves a problem by calling itself, each time handling a smaller or simpler version of the original problem. It is commonly used for tasks that can naturally be broken down into smaller subproblems, such as calculating factorials, generating Fibonacci sequences, base case and recursive case in recursion. 1. Base case. The base case is a condition that stops the recursion. Without it, the function would keep calling itself endlessly, causing an infinite loop. The base case provides a simple, non-recursive solution to the problem. Example, for the factorial function, the base case is 0 not is equal to 1. To recursive case, the recursive case is where the function calls itself with a smaller or simpler version of the original problem. The function continues calling itself until it reaches the base case. Example, for the factorial function, the recursive case is n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. The base case ensures that the recursion stops. The recursive case allows the function to keep solving smaller subproblems until the base case is reached. This program calculates the factorial of a number using recursion. It defines a recursive function fact, int n, to compute the factorial. The function has a base case that stops recursion when n equals 0, returning 1, and a recursive case where the function calls itself with -1, multiplying n by the result of fact of n minus 1. The main function takes user input and validates it. If the number is negative, it prints an error message because factorials are undefined for negative numbers. If the input is valid, it calls the fact function to compute the factorial and displays the result. For example, if the user enters 3, the program outputs factorial of 3 is 6. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.